Today I'm presenting to you what I consider to be the top tier readability tip that you're going to get. What I like to do in my programs is to not use classes like user and then it has an ID and then it has a name. This is too boring. And as we've discussed earlier, most of your developers wouldn't know English, so it would be hard for them to know what ID means. Is an identifier or what it's called in their language. So what you can do instead is that you can define a type alias for, say, int, and then you can replace this ID with the type alias we just created. Moreover, you can replace this ID by using the ID emoji. In the same manner, we define a string, then maybe a set would be useful. So I'm rewriting this name2 to have a name badge emoji, and then it won't be a string, it would be the string type. I would also consider changing the type. Instead of user, it could be the user emoji. And say we want to store the amount of likes that this user has. So I could choose my newly type. It would be a bag of likes that would contain a list, so a set of users. So I can use my new type here. Same thing goes for a dislike. And I will use as well the counters from here, so I can access the like and dislike count immediately. The last thing I'll do in this user class is to define a like function using the heart emoji. And this function would receive a new parameter as the user that did the like. So it would be this parameter, and then I'd use would be of class user, and it will return a copy of this user with the new like added. So I would return a user, and for the ID I would accept the suggestion. So yeah, it would be this one plus the new user. So there you are. That is your answer. I consider this to be peak readability, and I encourage you to use it in your applications. Follow me for more tips.